Pumpkin spice chicken wings on the new and improved Kamado Joe Joetisserie Basket, my friends. You're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned as we get into all the details. Let's set up the Kamado Joe. This is the Big Joe, then we've got our Joetisserie already on, and this is a separate accessory compared to the basket. It does not come together. We are banking our lump charcoal to the back of the basket. As we let that spin, it's gonna allow us to offset the cook, but yet still get direct flame, and then we'll move all the charcoal forward towards the end of the cook to get even a nice crisp. So what we're gonna do is light up this charcoal with the Grill Blazer grill torch in 60 seconds. It's a great tool. I have a discount code for you on the screen and in the description if that's something you're interested in. But this is how we're gonna light this up, open up all the vents once we have this lit and it's kind of ashed over. And so let's light it up and then we'll bring you back and begin to season the wings. Hey team, I'm Scott from Bartlow's Barbecue, and if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel, put notifications so you don't miss any videos on the new Joetisserie Basket Kit, and we can learn and grow with each other. Well, today we're using the tumbler version of the new kit. It's all stainless steel, makes it easy to clean. I've already put this in the dishwasher after I've used it before, and you can also just soak this out after it cools down after a cook and put it in kind of warm soapy water as another tip. So today that's what we're using, and it has these little bars that you kind of pinch in and it comes out or makes things, moves the levels for you to get it tight or larger depending how much protein you're putting in here. And so I'm gonna bring you in close and we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning the chicken wings and then put it in the basket. I am going to be spraying this with some grill spray or Pam spray, whatever you want to do to oil this to make it a little easier to clean also towards the end. So bring you in and let's season these pumpkin spice wings. Okay team, so this is my house rub and we added 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice to the rub. So I'll have that on the screen and also in the description. So that's how we did that. And now we're going to add it to the basket. And what you're gonna see is there's 3 levels. Take this off and we will take it to the lowest level. This is collapsible, that's why it did that. So we'll go ahead and take this all the way down, and that's fine. All right. Make sure I'm in the last notch. All right, my friends, and we are set to go. So this is the, actually this one needs to be the bottom as well. We're good, there we go. So now we're ready to go for these to tumble. And this could easily get 5 pounds. This is about 2.5 pounds of wings, but perfect for my family. All right, friends, now it's time to hook this Joetisserie kit to the base here and get it spinning. We're gonna let it ride till 170, 175. And then we'll put on that pumpkin spice glaze, and I'll have all the information on that towards the end. And again, if I haven't mentioned this recipe is inspired by Hay Grill Hay, and it's pumpkin spice latte time of year, so we're trying to experiment and have some fun, so don't hate it until you try it. The rub tasted pretty incredible already, so on these wings I anticipate they'll be really good. So this is our plan. Let it spin. I'm going to anticipate about 40-45 minutes, but we'll see if it cooks quicker or longer. Let's go ahead and put it on. What I like to do to make it easier for me while the grill's hot, put it in like this. And now we're ready to let it spin. All right, friends, we're at that 160, and we're going to kind of move this charcoal, there we go, forward here just like this, and continue to let this ride to get direct grilling right over these wings and continue to build up that nice crust and char and caramelization, if you will. I'm gonna go ahead and spin it now. All right, team, we pulled these off at 180 and we've got amazing caramelization. I'm not sure if you can see it through there. Great crust built on there once we kind of move that charcoal forward from being banked and then just let the, the flame kiss fire hit these wings, and you've got just great looking wings. Now I'm gonna put it here, let it kind of rest for a little bit, let it cool off. I'll open the basket in a moment, and we are going to show you what it looks like to prepare the pumpkin spice sauce. It's incredible. Again, this is inspired by Hey Grill Hey. I'll put the ingredients in the description to make it easy for you to find. And then we're just putting that together, and we're gonna put that in a bowl and toss these in, and then we'll be ready to serve, final taste test, and give you a final review. All right, friends, we have finished up saucing these wings, and the sauce came out delicious. You've definitely got to give this a shot. Put in the comments so far what you thought of this cook so far, and that caramelization, the way that sauce tacks on. We're gonna grab ourselves, let's see here, a flat bite into this. It is gonna be sticky but delicious. Come on now. Now that is a messy and delicious wing. Pumpkin spice chicken wings is bomb sauce. Seriously, that is incredible. I think this will be a crowd pleaser. It's probably all over my face. I feel it. My friends, I'm giving this recipe an A+. Hey Girl Hey, big shout out to you. Great recipe. It's the fall season. Experiment. Football season, try something new. And man, I'm gonna wipe my face and we'll do kind of a final thought. All right, friends, we are done. As you saw that final taste test and a few thoughts, you definitely are tasting the sweetness of the pumpkin spice and really just the pumpkin pie spice on the sauce, and also just the sweetness in this rub. You definitely need to give it a go. I really love it. If you don't love sweetness, then this might not be a recipe you want to give a try. But overall, it was delicious, and one that I would do again and even cook for a crowd. So my friends, I loved it. When it comes to the Joetisserie Basket and tumbler, the flat versus the tumbler, this was the tumbler today. It performed really well. Easy to put together, easy to unhook. Not struggling. You definitely want to use heat gloves. This has cotton in the inside to make it nice and comfortable, really easy to grab things, a little less bulky. And then now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna soak this in kind of warm water and soapy water and let it just sit for an hour, and then we'll be able to put it in the dishwasher and it'll probably be just like new. So that's gonna be my cleaning method here in a little bit. So overall, man, that is Oklahoma tornado alarm that you just heard. Every Saturday at noon here in Oklahoma City, they do a tornado alarm test to make sure everything's working. So you probably saw my face as I forgot it was noon. And so that's what that sound was all about. All good here. But my friends, this was a super fun cook. Let me know in the comments if you have done this before, or if you think you would give it a shot, and what you thought of today's cook. And be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any new products or fun recipes, and you can stay tuned to what's all happening here at Bartlow's Barbecue. So from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.